Welcome to everyone for this case study on composite materials and structures. In this video, we have to discuss about GFRG buildings with concrete maintenance. So first of all, what is meant by an GFRG? GFRG means glass fiber reinforced gypsum. So in ancient days to this days onwards, we are construct a building is used a material of water, cement, sand and our steel rod and etc. Because of they are where will giving a huge strength of this living section. But in nowadays in some areas trying to focus or trying to changes of building sections into various components be used. For example, gypsum, it is a finest material to replace the concrete because of it will give the properties of more strength and more tolerance and more compressive and more tensile and more fracture and more brittleness and lot of advantages comparing with this concrete. So gypsum, it will be where it will be available. It is means it is some waste product in of industries, coal industries and other industries. So in that gypsum will be taken from that waste part and it will be fine located or it will be fine with the mixture of some industry and it will be collaborate with the glass fiber or mixing with gypsum is with the glass fiber and it will be made or it will be added with some amount of resin or hardness. For example, epoxy resin will be used and another is the first base section is a gypsum powder and the base section, the next of is epoxy resin and third section is glass fiber and final one section is gypsum and last one is the resin part. It will be separated, located and it will be hardened with a particular temperature, with a particular pressure level for it will be give a huge strength and it will be a high stiffened material. So in that size we regurgitate or we create a large amount of a rectangle plate, gypsum plate for with the replacement of a concrete wall. So in this gypsum concrete wall, we ready with the gypsum concrete wall. Next we have to focus with what type of a gypsum wall and which number of count will be needed for our main construction of a particular home. So in that gypsum wall, we have some amount of holes will be located for dislocations. So in that dislocations, we need to fill with our basic concrete cement method. So if we construct one home, our surrounding will be located with the gypsum wall and our roof section or surface sections or concrete section, it will be also using for this gypsum level. So in this gypsum level, we need some amount of steel rod for we intersect or we disconnect with the gypsum powder for will be products a huge amount of strength. So this finally this construction of GFRG house will be in our Tamil Nadu in Chennai area in the year of 2013. It will be located in Adayar 80 campus. So it will be produce a large amount of strength and large amount of money saving will be all consideration points will be located to our site. For example, in GFRG we are using the construction one home. If we need to maintain or if we need to construct a 2 BHK home, nowadays our estimate using the old ancient method, concrete method is we are using almost 15 to 20 lakhs will be needed. But in this GFRG method, if we need construct a 2 BHK home, our estimate area or estimate amount will be in 6 to 7 lakhs. this is a successfully in nowadays it is a improvement method for an GFRG building concrete and building construction method. So GFRG house, it will be or it will be improved in our India's nowadays. Thank you.